That's what the temperature is. 74 degrees. Maybe I should get that again. 74 degrees. Okay, so that's not really something that the thermo time switch should be turning on. So we're going to just test that real quick before we do anything else. I hope you can see all this. Before I even hook up anything, do anything at all, I'm going to double check my thermo time switch. Make sure it's still off. Alright. There's I'll do a continuity run. Do it that way since it's on-off switch. I hope all this is going to show up. Okay, ready? Says that's what it should sound like, right? Okay. I'm definitely on that meter. I've definitely got no continuity, so it's definitely off. Okay, so the circuit's not closed. If I resume, it's because it's not cold enough. Of course, it could just be. Oh crud, where'd it go now? Right, here we go. It could just be the thermo time switch isn't any good either. But in the meantime, I have now got my setup going on here. Well, first we'll get in the car and we'll try cranking it with no thermo time assist. So let's see what happens. How about that? I don't understand it. I have no idea what's going on. It's never done that before. Alright, well, more later.